Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to set a profile photo in the Quizlet app. If you want your account to look more personal and professional, this tutorial will guide you through the process easily and quickly. First, open the Quizlet app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top right. Then, tap on your profile icon again. Tap on your profile picture to access the option to change it. After that, you'll be prompted to either select a photo from your device's gallery or take a new photo using your camera. Finally, once you've chosen or captured your desired photo, tap the Save icon at the top right corner to set it as your profile picture. And that's it. You've successfully updated your profile picture in the Quizlet app. Personalizing your profile helps make your learning experience more engaging. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others. Thank you for watching.